Hi, this is Brian with WTI, and this is the Panasonic Expandable Cordless Phone System.
I really like the Amber Backlit display and I am very happy with it. I have two handsets, one in my upstairs office and one in the downstairs living room. This makes it easy to stay connected no matter where I am in my house. The interface is simple and straightforward, and the menus are easy to navigate. The phone system is available in both English and Spanish, which is a great feature for Spanish-speaking households like mine. And the base unit has a button that you can use to locate a lost handset. This is a handy feature if you have a large house or if you frequently misplace things like me. The phone system has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any home, and the battery life of the handset is excellent. I can usually go several days between charges. The phone system is expandable, so you can add additional handsets as needed. Overall, I'm very pleased with the Panasonic Expandable Cordless phone system. It's reliable and easy to use phone system that's perfect for any household. I will definitely recommend it to others. So if you're looking for a reliable and easy to use cordless phone system, I will highly recommend the Panasonic Expandable Cordless phone system with Amber Backlit display.
Another thing I like about this is the rechargeable battery. So you won't have to buy any batteries again. Just connect it to the base and the battery will recharge alone, right? So just try this one for your mother, for your business. You won't be disappointed. I tried it and I had like 4 or 5 years with this one. But that's my point of view.